There hasn't been a leak like this since the Colonel's secret recipe was discovered back in 2016, but I have the unofficial 12 days of deals for the 2024 holiday season at Harbor Freight. These deals will go from the 12th to the 23rd, with a different item being discounted every day. They're already getting mixed reviews online, so let's get right into it. On Thursday the 12th, we have the Pittsburgh 3-ton rapid pump floor jack. $60 off the regular price of $139.99, coming in at $79.99. I've had the low profile for about 10 years and it's been a great jack. Friday the 13th just got a little luckier with 40% off any single icon wrench, torque wrench, or breaker bar. Saturday the 14th gets you $55 off the 10x20 portable car canopy, bringing it down to just $89.99. Sunday the 15th is a great day for my fellow welders out there with 40% off any single welding cart or cabinet. Monday the 16th starts the week off with the 2100 Lumen LED rechargeable magnetic compact floodlight at $24.99. Tuesday the 17th hits the halfway point of these deals with 40% off any single tarp. On Wednesday the 18th, you can grind that hump day down with the 11 amp 4.5 inch paddle switch angle grinder for only $34.99. Thursday the 19th brings the heat with a smoking deal on any Badland winch for 40% off the regular price. Friday the 20th brings the 6.5 horsepower 212cc overhead valve horizontal shaft gas engine to the lowest price in quite a while at just $89.99. I don't expect those to stay in stock for a very long time in some locations. Saturday the 21st gets you 40% off any Braun hanging shop light. I have 4 of the 10,000 lumen lights in my garage and they're awesome. Sunday the 22nd has the 20-ton hydraulic bottle jack half off at only $29.99. They've saved the best for last with Monday the 23rd getting you the 56-inch US General roll cab for $599.99, which is $300 off the regular price. Like I said, these are the unofficial deals for the holiday season and haven't yet been released by Harbor Freight, so they may or may not be accurate. Let me know down in the comments what deal you plan on getting or what your thoughts are on this sale. Keep grinding away on those projects, stay lucid, and I'll see you in the next one.